slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? I review stuff back here. Once again, it's been a while, but today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Alexander McQueens. These are from DailySnkr. First review I've done from them, so see how it goes. But before I get into all that, if you're new to the channel and you do end up liking what you see, make sure to show your boy some love, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, all that good stuff, and follow your boy on Instagram at ReviewStuffTV. And yeah, link is in the description for that, of course, as always. Just a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of the stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And yeah, man, let's just get into it right off the rip. These took about 2 weeks to get here, I believe. I didn't even get no like tracking number, nothing. I just got, yeah, like they just showed up one day, so I kind of forgot about them. So yeah, but yeah, man, let's get into it. This is all the information for the seller. So it is DailySnkr.com. Instagram is at Woody_kicks, and then you got the email right there. I don't know, it's a weird ass email, elwinsinner7@gmail.com, and then WhatsApp right there as well. So there's also a discount code. It will be in the description, so if you do do your thing, it will be in the description. You guys know where to find that. So yeah, my nose is kind of drippy now all of a sudden, but anyways, let's take a look at the shoes. Before we get into that, of course, you got the box and all that. Did get a little bit banged up during the shipping, no big deal. I don't really care about the box, but this is what it looks like. Just has Alexander McQueen here in a little raised font. Nothing on the box in terms of like sizing on any side. So yeah, inside the box, so I did switch the laces out. These are the laces it normally comes with. It also comes with a white pair that are on the shoes currently. I like them better, honestly. I don't really like these laces, personal preference, right? So this, you can put it on the outside of the box. I guess kind of just have it hanging, and you fold this part over like that, kind of. So I think that's what that's meant to be. But all the information right there, little barcode action. First site, by the way, because this is a personal affair, first site that I've seen that sells these in 47, which I believe is roughly 12.5, because I know 46 is 12. So yeah, first site. So if you got some big ass feet and you're looking for McQueens, might be the plug. It might be the plug, honestly. So you got this little Alexander McQueen thing. I'm guessing just some little booklet in there, probably about the materials, leather, whatever. And then you also have a dust bag as well, which I'll take out just so y'all can see how that looks. So here's a dust bag, just says Alexander McQueen, and then you have the logo right there as well on the other side. So nice little dust bag, normal stuff you see with most sneakers, especially designer stuff these days. And then of course you have the wrapping paper. I don't really have to mention that, right? So yeah, man, and here are the shoes themselves. Super clean, almost all white shoe. Looks really clean actually with the laces. So super clean looks. Leather is good. I did try these on earlier, so but yeah, leather's good. Kind of smells like glue and leather, so yeah. But pretty simple shoe, not all that much to talk about, honestly. Typical McQueen shoe. You can just see the builds, the craftsmanship rather, and the quality of the shoe is kind of the pinpoint and focus. So yeah, so basically the only like touch really is the heel in this black on white that says Alexander McQueen on the back. Super clean looking. Really the only pop of like quote unquote color that you'll see on the shoe, because that's typically where you see the color is on the heel of the McQueens anyway. So sometimes there's stuff all throughout the shoe, but yeah, typically they're white like this, and then the heel is a little different. So inside the shoe, got that nice leather insole, made in Italy, and you can barely see, but it says McQueen on there. Doesn't say Alexander or anything, I don't think. Yeah, I think it just says McQueen. Yep. So it says McQueen on the insole, made in Italy. Alexander McQueen on the tongue as well, in silver. And then underneath the tongue, I don't know how well y'all be able to see that, but it says some code and then the size and then E, whatever that means. Maybe Europe for the sizing. These are a little bit tight, so I'm probably gonna wear them without the insole. Typically designer shoes, I feel like fit a little tighter. And then on top of that, technically I'm a size 13. So that's probably why the equivalent to a size, 12 and a half, which would be 47, which these are, it's not obviously 13. So a little bit tight. I did try them without the insole and with the insole, and without the insole they fit pretty well, so that's that. Bottom of the shoe, typical McQueen bottom, Alexander McQueen with all those grooves and stuff. And then you have this little thing that I'm gonna take off after, but yeah, I don't know if that's what a retail pair would come with, but it is there. It's a Hong Kong price, 3,800. So yeah, not a whole lot to talk about with these shoes. Pretty simple. Like I said, this is my first purchase from the seller, so just kind of checking them out and seeing what's good with them. Oh, I'm dropping the shoes apparently. But yeah, this is the left shoe. Same thing, quality is on point, stitching's clean, leather's nice. So yeah, generally really nice. Midsole's pretty soft too. I mean, it's not like overly soft, obviously it's not boost, you don't want it to be boost, but got some nice softness to it. Basically, McQueen's, the way I look at it, obviously a lot of people see it the same way, is they're just a oversized Adidas Stan Smith, so, which they kind of are, but I don't know if this one says, oh no, this one just says McQueen on the insole and then made in Italy again. Same thing under the tongue. So yeah, back of the shoe. Yeah, man, not a whole lot to talk about with this shoe. You guys can just check it out for yourselves and let me know your thoughts, of course, as per usual. So dope little shoe. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, honestly, or I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. Super clean, can kind of go with anything, especially with how universal they are. They don't have any wacky colors on them, just mostly white, a little bit of black, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I did order a belt from the site as well, so that will be in a separate video. Stay tuned for that. I don't know which video is dropping first, so these, the belt might be first and then this, I'm not sure, but I think I'll upload this video first, so stay tuned for the belt. With that being said though, guys, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, of course, show your boy some love and subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, follow my Instagram at RVStuffTV. And yeah, more heat on the way as stuff comes in. I'll always put it out for you super quick. So the delays are not because between video from video are not because I'm lazy or something like that. It's just because I'm waiting on stuff. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.